Remember that unforgettable sound when you connected to the internet? That screeching, buzzing noise that seemed to go on forever? You knew you were about to dive into something new, but it always felt like an adventure or a test of patience. If someone in the house picked up the phone while you were online, it was like losing all progress, especially if you were downloading a file, and everything would reset from the beginning. It wasn't uncommon to hear your mom yelling, "Don't pick up the phone, I'm waiting for an important call." And don't forget that heart-pounding moment when the screen finally loaded and that iconic
You've got mail.
popped up. A simple message, but it felt like you had won the internet lottery back then.